Hello class, I am Happy Narang, your subject teacher of water management in horticultural crops. Today I am going to cover the topic that is water use efficiency. So let's start with the introduction. 80 to 85% of water consumed for agriculture, lower productivity of most of the major crops. Real problem is wastage of water and lack of demand management, not shortage. Wasteful utilization of water resources diminish crop productivity, resulting in lower efficiency. Now we will discuss about the water use efficiency in details. Different definitions by agriculturists, hydrologists, engineers, etc. Enhancing water use efficiency is an important goal in our water policy. Efficiency is a measure of output obtained from a given unit of input. Efficient water utilization reflects how efficiently water is stored, distributed, and used for crop production. Principal factor influencing water use efficiency: design of the irrigation system, degree of land preparation, and skill and care from the irrigator. Handbook for computing the water use efficiency for irrigation projects, published by CWC GOI New Delhi in April 2010, narrates a standard operating procedure for computing water use efficiency, provides information, data required to be collected, processed, and analyzed, gives insight about what measures should be taken up to enhance water use efficiency. More emphasis laid on agriculture use as it consumes most of the water. This figure shows the efficiency of irrigation system. Efficiency implementation issues. Key challenges are limited technical and managerial capabilities description, low levels of water efficiency and productivity, low levels of technical awareness and adoptions to improve irrigation and water use efficiencies, limited storage capacity, high quantum of leakages from poor service delivery network, lack of governance and autonomy, missing leadership to create enabling environment, lack of private and user participation to achieve performance competitiveness, lack of integrated approach at basin level. Now comes efficiency implementation issues. Key challenges are lack of capital and inability to recover cost description, lack of capital, new infrastructure, operation and maintenance, high energy cost of distribution, last mile and rehabilitation infrastructure for end user adoption of efficiency techniques, pricing distortion due to subsidies, undervalued water resources and increased wastage, methods to improve water use efficiencies, storage, conservation system loss, evaporation, percolation, seepage, leakages. Measures to increase reservoir efficiency, that is low to high. In low reservoir bed soil treatment, regular sedimentation, surveys and restoration of capacities, enhancing storage capacity by measures like fuse gate, and in medium, prevention of water losses through gates, evaporation retardants, reservoir operation plan for various uses. In high, selection of optimum cropping pattern, regular inspection and timely and proper O&M and repairs, optimum reservoir operation through rule levels, conveyance system loss, evaporation, percolation, seepage, vegetative growth. Measures to increase conveyance efficiency: prevention of losses, evaporation losses, deep percolation to soil layers underneath the canals, seepage through canal bunds, maintenance, stabilization of embankments, removal of vegetation, retrofitting of canal or pipes, prevention of rat holes or animal burrow in canal bunds. Canal system are lining of canals, use of PVC pipeline, hydraulically and geometrically efficient system layout, canal escapes and tail channels with outfall, CR planning considering concept of a storage pool, and operation are optimum O&M through automation, regulation and prevention of overtopping, adoption of rotational water supply and irrigation scheduling, climatic crop water requirement to be factored in operation plan, appropriate functioning of canal hierarchy, uneven field surfaces and slopes, evaporation from fields, that is root zone moisture, evaporation from field channels and networks, loss from field channels, waterlogging during flood watering in the field, application losses. How to improve on-farm efficiency? Enhancing water use efficiency involves water audit, benchmarking, performance evaluation, best irrigation management practices, integrated river basin planning, OFDLL, optimum drainage network, less water intensive crops, PIM, legal and institutional framework, appropriate maintenance, micro irrigation. In flood irrigation, high water consumption and low yields, and furrow irrigation reduces water consumption and increases in crop yields, as you can see in this figure. Measures to mitigate water logging involves lining of canals, conjunctive use, adequate drainage, improvement in water management, and CAD. Best practices in agriculture: drip irrigation, greenhouse technology, hydroponics, a soilless plant growing technology, mulching, covers open ground surface around plant root with dry grass, hay, leaves, conservation of underneath moisture, reduces evaporation significantly and increases water use efficiency, wastewater treatment and recycling, use of semi-treated sewage water as source of irrigation and plant nutrients, recycling of drainage from farms containing water with unused fertilizers, anticipated increase in irrigation efficiency. It is estimated in year 2025 surface irrigation 35 to 50%, groundwater irrigation 65 to 70%, and year 2050 surface irrigation 35 to 60%, groundwater irrigation 65 to 75%. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.